Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to fix problems caused by the Windows the 11th of June 2026 Patch Tuesday update. First, open the Settings app and go to Windows Update. Click Check for updates and wait while Windows searches for the latest updates. If an emergency cumulative update, such as KB5, 121.767, or a newer one, appears, click Download and Install. When the installation is complete, restart your computer to apply the fixes. If the update does not appear in Windows Update, you can install it manually. Open your web browser and visit the Microsoft Update Catalog website. Search for KB5, 121.767, then find the version that matches your system. Most Windows 11 computers use the x64 version, while ARM-based devices require the ARM64 package. Click Download, then open the downloaded file and follow the on-screen instructions to install the update. After the installation finishes, restart your PC one more time. Once your computer starts back up, the latest fixes should be in place. Thanks for watching.